Imagine waiting years, sometimes even decades, for your green card to finally come within reach, and then, suddenly, the doors start to open. This is the exciting story of the October 2025 Visa Bulletin, a pivotal moment for thousands of immigrants who have been patiently waiting to secure permanent residence in the United States. Every year, the U.S. Department of State releases a Visa Bulletin that impacts thousands of people worldwide hoping to become lawful permanent residents in America. The Visa Bulletin tracks the movement of priority dates, the dates that determine when green card applicants can move forward with their applications. For October 2025, the latest release brings a wave of hope and progress, especially for those stuck in long backlogs. In particular, there has been significant forward movement in priority dates for employment-based green card applicants from countries like India and China. Family-sponsored categories, crucial for many separated from their loved ones, also show promising shifts. This video breaks down what these changes mean in simple terms and how they can impact you or your family. Understanding the Visa Bulletin and priority dates. Before diving into the changes, let's understand what priority dates and the Visa Bulletin mean. Priority date: this is the date when the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, or the National Visa Center, NVC, receives your immigration petition. It's essentially your place in line for a green card. Visa Bulletin: published monthly by the U.S. Department of State, the Visa Bulletin shows which priority dates are currently being processed for green card approvals. It helps applicants know when they can file their applications or when final action can be taken on their case. There are two main dates in the Visa Bulletin. Final action dates: this indicates the cutoff date for which the government can approve your green card application. Dates for filing: this shows when you can submit your application paperwork, even if a green card isn't immediately available yet. Employment-based, EB, green cards, major advances. One of the most exciting updates in the October 2025 Visa Bulletin is the forward movement in the employment-based categories, especially for applicants from India and China. These countries have historically had long waits due to high demand and limited visa availability. Why is this important? The employment-based green card categories serve professionals, skilled workers, and other individuals who contribute to the U.S. economy through jobs. Many have been waiting for years because of country caps and per-category limits. What has changed? For several employment-based categories, the final action dates have advanced, meaning the U.S. government is now approving green cards for applicants who filed their petitions much earlier. Likewise, dates for filing have moved forward, allowing more people to begin the paperwork process sooner. Who benefits the most? Applicants from India and China in categories such as EB-2, Advanced Degree Professionals, and EB-3, Skilled Workers and Professionals, are seeing the most progress. This means thousands of immigrants who have been stuck in the backlog are closer than ever to receiving their green cards. Family-sponsored green cards: positive shifts for families. Family preference categories are another key area of the Visa Bulletin. These categories allow U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to sponsor relatives for green cards. What's new here? The F2A category, which covers spouses and children of permanent residents, has seen meaningful advancement in both final action dates and dates for filing. This is particularly hopeful for families who have been separated and waiting to reunite. Why does this matter? Family-sponsored green cards often involve long waiting periods due to limited visa numbers. Progress in these dates means families can finally start or complete their immigration process, bringing loved ones together on U.S. soil. What you should do now. If you or someone you know is waiting on a green card, the October 2025 Visa Bulletin signals a potential breakthrough. Here are some steps to take. Check your priority date. Look at your immigration receipt notice or petition to find your priority date. Compare to the Visa Bulletin. Visit the official Department of State website to see the current final action dates and dates for filing in your category and country. Prepare your documents. If your priority date is now current, start gathering documents needed for your green card application or adjustment of status. Consult an immigration attorney. To ensure you understand your options and avoid mistakes, consider seeking legal advice, especially if your case has complex factors. Stay updated. Visa Bulletin dates can change monthly. Keep track of updates to know when it's your turn. Why the movement in priority dates happens. The Visa Bulletin changes monthly based on visa number availability. The U.S. government limits the number of visas issued annually per category and per country. Demand and backlogs. High demand, especially from certain countries, causes longer waits. Government processing speeds. The number of petitions processed monthly affects how quickly priority dates move forward. The significant forward movement in October 2025 suggests improved visa number availability or processing efficiency, which is great news for many applicants. What this means for the future. Forward movement in priority dates is not just a technical change, it's a life-changing moment for thousands of people. It opens doors for new opportunities in the U.S., from career growth and family reunification to building a new life. However, it's important to remember that these movements can fluctuate. Sometimes dates advance quickly, and other times they may regress, move backward, depending on demand and visa supply. Staying informed and prepared is key to making the most of these opportunities. The October 2025 Visa Bulletin marks a significant milestone in the journey toward U.S. permanent residency for many employment-based and family-sponsored green card applicants. Especially for individuals from India and China, these forward movements bring renewed hope after years of waiting. Families in the F2A category can also look forward to reunification sooner than expected. Navigating U.S. immigration laws can be complex, but understanding how the Visa Bulletin works empowers applicants to take timely action. Whether you're a skilled professional, a family member, or a supporter, this new Visa Bulletin signals progress and possibilities. At TravelTree News, we are committed to keeping you updated with clear, reliable immigration information so you can make informed decisions on your American journey.